This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable Zen mode on VS Code. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to VS Code here. I have VS Code opened up now. To enable or disable Zen mode, what Zen mode is, it is a distraction-free editing layout that hides all interface elements except for the active coding file that you are working on. It switches to more of a full screen mode and centers your code on the screen. The way to enable it or disable it, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the View tab, click on View. Then you want to go down to where it says Appearance, put your mouse cursor over Appearance. Then you'll slide straight off to the right, and right here is Zen mode. As you can see, the keyboard shortcut, I'm on a Windows PC, so the keyboard shortcut is Control plus K, and then hit Z after that. On a Mac, I believe it's Command plus K, and then hit Z, but I'm going to click on Zen mode. And as you can see, now the sides have left, the sidebars have left. You can resize this however you need to. You can make it more of a full screen mode. And then to get back to the normal mode, you can either do the keyboard shortcut, Control plus K, and then hit Z, or you simply hit the Escape key twice. I'm going to hit Escape twice. It takes you right back to where you were to begin with. That is how to enable or disable Zen mode on VS Code. Thanks for watching.